Hello guys, welcome to Mega TV, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your first 300 subscribers for free. It is 100% working. But first of all, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, turn on the notification icon, and leave your comments below. Welcome back. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's go straight to the point. The website called mytoolstown.com. Yeah, so the link is in the description of this video. So you just open your browser. In the browser address tab, you will see mytoolstown.com. The right name is in the link. So then you just copy your channel ID and then you paste it. So whilst you paste your channel ID in the field, and then you just enter. So as you enter, a new page appears. So as this page appears, this page has certain features which are not difficult. Well, you can just go through them by your own self. So what you need to do is to earn more points. You earn credits in order to also, so you do sub for sub. So over here you can see the subscribe. So you click on it and then you subscribe to someone's channel, and then every you subscribe you get 2 points, and then you use it to create a campaign for yourself. That is so over here you can select whether you need likes or subscribers, and then you will be given. Hi everyone, hope you have been updated and educated. Please support us by subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like. Thank you very much.
The document